What are you doing in our room?
Why are you not sleeping?
I will not sleep until you leave this house.
Allow me to finish my assignment.
What assignment? Evil assignment. Leave us alone. Grandpa, stop and leave us alone.
I can't stop.
Leave us alone.
Allow me to finish my assignment here.
No assignment. There is no assignment.
I have assignment here and I must finish it today.
There is no assignment.
I said I have assignment here.
There is no assignment. Grandpa, leave us alone. Go back to the village. Do you think anything you try to do will work in this house? It will not work. I have the powers. My powers is more than yours. There's nothing else. Why is he that is in me than he that is in you? So go back to the village and leave us alone. Your power cannot work here.
No! No! I have to finish this one assignment.
You will not finish any assignment.
I need to finish it.
Your assignment cannot work. I will disgrace you. I will disgrace you. You have failed woefully. You have failed your assignments. I went to go and weary.
What's going on? You're fine. Huh?
I'm still here.
Something is really wrong. Something is wrong with Marvelous. How do I explain that something is wrong with Marvelous? How? She not lie, she went to sleep. She went to peace. Where she was here, behaving somehow. She's possessed. She's very much possessed. And they don't want to tell me who might have given her this. Oh. I need to go and look for solution. I need to find solution. Thank you.